Jeez. Holy crap.
I'm looking at it, falling.
This is gonna be a
Wow, really big hail falling. Look, I saw it coming across the field. That's why I was yelling. I didn't want you to oh, big tornado. Oh, guys, look. Big tornado. Big tornado. Wedge. Big. Jeff, you see the tornado now? WX5 DTD. It's immediately to our southwest. It's coming over our hill towards that house. WX5 DTD. Is he on the radio? You see the tornado? It's right over behind the house there. We're gonna have to move. Actually, well, I think we're okay. You're good, don't worry. It looks like it's going to move to our south. Jeff, are you still on frequency? WX5 DTD mobile. Looks like it's going to move south of us. Big tornado. Okay, I'm going to try to quiet down now. Ooh, that was a nice CG.
yeah.
Hey, Robin,
Yeah.
could you do me a quick favor? Are you videoing?
No, my camera's in the hatch.
All right, I'm videoing. Could you get my iPhone and take a quick picture of my iPhone,
Okay.
please? Thank you. Oh boy.
Almost got that bolt, but not quite.
This is actually the best spot to view it from, because if we were south of it, we wouldn't see it because of the hook preset.
What's that?
This is the best spot to view it from,
Yep.
because if we were south of it, we wouldn't see
Yep,
it.
you would see this. That's what happened to me on Vortex all the time. I can never see these.
Yeah.
If you're south of it.
Oh man, look at that. Look
Amazing.
at that motion on the left
Yeah.
side.
Yes.